I am ready to kill.
Please work on time, otherwise I fire you.
I'm king, so be careful next time.
Okay, viewers, oh my god. As you already know, this type of fruit niche content is going insanely viral and trending everywhere right now. And the best part is, I generated all of these amazing fruit-style images and videos with just one click using an incredible AI tool called HitPaw Edimakor. So today, I'm going to show you the complete process of image generation and video generation step by step using this same tool. Without wasting any time, first of all, go to Facebook because I want to show you some channels that are already dominating this fruit niche. The first channel is called Banana Vita Vibes, and oh my god, viewers, their reels are absolutely exploding with views. 14 million, 10 million, 6 million, and many more. Every single fruit reel is super unique, highly engaging, and trending hard right now. And the most amazing thing is that Facebook is monetizing this kind of AI content very easily with almost no restrictions. That means this niche has huge earning potential. Now, let me show you another channel that is also uploading the same fruit niche content and getting massive engagement. All these videos are colorful, unique, and extremely eye-catching, which is exactly why I selected this niche for today's tutorial. So viewers, without wasting time, let me take you directly to the master prompt that I already prepared for you. In this master prompt, everything is included. Image prompts, video prompts, and even 2-line voiceovers. You'll find this complete master prompt in my description, so you can simply download it and start generating content instantly. Simply copy the prompt, go to ChatGPT, paste it there, and click on Generate. And after just 1 or 2 minutes, boom! You'll get image prompts, video prompts, voiceovers, and multiple scenes completely ready in one click. Every single prompt is highly detailed, unique, and professionally designed to create viral quality content. So now let's copy the first prompt and move directly to our main AI tool. Okay viewers, now you have to open the tool called HitPaw Edimakor. You'll find the download link in the description, so simply download and install it on your PC. After installing the software, first of all, I'll move to the toolbox section because I want to show you how many powerful AI tools are available inside this software. As you can see, there are multiple AI video tools like text-to-video, image-to-video, AI video generator, and many more. Similarly, there are amazing AI audio tools, text tools, and image tools available as well. So viewers, take a good look at all these features one by one, because every single tool here is absolutely incredible. But today, I'll mainly teach you how to generate viral images and videos using these AI features. So first of all, let's move to the image generation section. I simply select the text-to-image tool and click on it. Okay viewers, oh my god, you can see there are so many powerful AI image models available here, like SeaDream, Google Nano Banana, GPT Image 2, 2.7, and many more. So now I'm going to test multiple models one by one and compare their results. First, I select Google Nano Banana 2. I simply copy my first prompt, paste it here, select the image ratio, and click on the Generate button. As you can see, my first image has started generating. You just need to wait for around 1 minute, and boom! Oh my god, viewers, look at this result generated from Nano Banana 2. This looks absolutely amazing. Now again, I generate another image using Nano Banana 2. I copy another prompt, paste it, and click on Generate once again. You can see the second image is now generating, and boom! The result is, again, fantastic. So clearly, Nano Banana 2 inside HitPaw Edimakor gives very high-quality results. Now let's test another model. This time I select SeaDream 5.0. I paste my next prompt, click on Generate, wait for a few moments, and boom! Just look at the SeaDream 5.0 result. The quality, lighting, and 3D style are absolutely stunning. After that, I select GPT Image 2, paste another prompt, click Generate, and after waiting for a few seconds, you can see another beautiful result right in front of you. This is seriously amazing. Now again, I move back to image generation, and this time I select 2.7. I copy my next prompt, paste it, and click on Generate. After a short wait, boom! Another high-quality fruit niche image is ready. So viewers, I've shown you results from 3 to 4 different AI models, and honestly, every single result looks incredible. Okay viewers, now I simply click on AI video, and from here I select the image to video option. After opening it, I click on the available AI models and oh my god viewers, you can see there are so many powerful video generation models available here as well. We have Happy Horse 1.0, SeaDance 2.0, Vidu Q3 Turbo, MiniMax, and many more amazing AI tools. So first of all, I select Happy Horse 1.0 to generate my first video. I simply click on it, upload my image in the image section, paste my prompt in the prompt section, select the ratio, and then click on the Generate button. As you can see, my first AI video has started generating here, and boom!
I'm king, so be careful next time. Don't fight with me.
Okay viewers, my first video is now ready and just look at this result. It looks absolutely amazing, cinematic, dramatic, and highly engaging with smooth motion and professional voiceover quality. Now I go back again and this time I select SeaDance 2.0. Once again, I upload another image, paste my next prompt, select the ratio, and click on the Generate option. Okay viewers, again you need to wait for a short moment with patience. And boom! My SeaDance 2.0 video is now completely ready.
Oh my god, you're so sweet. Please don't leave me.
And honestly, this result is also incredible. Now let's test another model. This time I select Vidu Q3 Turbo. I simply click on it, upload my image, select the ratio, paste my prompt, and hit the Generate button. As you can see, my third AI video has also started generating. After waiting for a few moments, boom! Oh my god viewers, my Vidu Q3 Turbo video is also ready now.
Please leave me! I request you! Please help me!
And this result is extremely engaging and visually stunning. So viewers, I've already generated 3 different videos using 3 different AI models, and every single one looks unique and high quality. Now again, I go back, and this time I test another powerful model called MiniMax, which is currently one of the hottest tools inside HitPaw Edimakor. Again, I upload an image, paste the prompt, click on Generate, and after waiting for a short time, boom! Okay viewers, now I have generated 4 different videos using 4 different AI tools, and honestly all of them look absolutely amazing. Now what I do next is move to the editing section because the best thing is that you can also edit your complete videos directly inside HitPaw Edimakor. You simply have to drag and drop your generated videos one by one into the timeline below. So I start dragging all my generated clips into sequence order so I can create one final professional video. Okay viewers, now I've arranged all the clips perfectly in sequence. After doing some basic editing, transitions, and adjustments, I simply click on the Export option, and boom! Okay viewers, now you can see my final video is completely ready, and honestly this looks absolutely amazing. And if we talk about pricing, you can purchase this tool for only $19.95 per month, $49.95 for 1 year, or $69.95 for the perpetual plan. And trust me viewers, this tool is seriously worth it because it provides image generation, video generation, and editing all in one place.